at this time, sit back, relax. We are all aboard.
Alright, start in the camera. Sorry, can you just keep your hands inside, please? Thank you.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. The next leg of our journey will take us all the way back to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we head into the American wilderness, we'll pass by the dusty desert town of Tumbleweed. Keep your eyes peeled for the runaway mine trains from the Mountain Railroad. Started heading west. Nowadays, rails can carry us safely through the wild. A trip that used to take months can now be made in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and everything along the banks of the river. And many early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of the Plains Indians were living, hunting, and trading for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to take the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts. Like we're almost out of the woods, folks, and we're coming to the outskirts of Fantasyland, a place where any dream can come true. Here you can fly with Peter Pan or take a spin in a teacup. Walt Disney always believed that no magic kingdom would ever be complete as long as there was imagination left in the world. With that spirit in mind, these folks are dreaming up a whole new Fantasyland. They're hard at work making future dreams come true. Someday soon, you'll be able to take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid, or be our guest for an enchanted feast inside the Beast's castle. But for now, it sure is exciting to think about all the fun that lies ahead.
Alright folks, at this time, please remain seated. We're just coming to a stop. We have a red light ahead. That means our next box is occupied. Once it turns green like it did now, we should be underway.
This old steam train needs water to keep going, just like you and me. Up ahead, there's an outpost and a water tower, and it looks like we'll be resting there a spell. That'll give the engineer time to top off the tender. But once again, we're just making a quick stop. Everybody please stay on board, sit tight, and we'll be on our way in just a few minutes. Our next stop is Main Street, USA. Looking at all those posters, I'd say the circus is coming to town, and this circus is coming to stay. It's the Fantasyland Storybook Circus. When it opens, you'll be able to soar through the air with Dumbo the Flying Elephant, and join Goofy on the Barnstormer, a rollicking ride of circus acrobatics and coaster thrills. Now, the circus isn't here yet, but it won't be too much longer. Our next stop is Main Street Station. Sit tight, everyone. We'll be underway in just a moment or two.
submerge the train. We're just making a quick stop to fill up on our water supply, and we will be making our way to Main Street Station in just a few minutes. Once again, folks, please remain seated. Do not submerge the train. We're just making a quick stop, and we should be underway in just a few minutes.